This is the video blending guide for now. Is a interesting sound in that we don't really make a sound when we make it. So this is the key thing that we need to convey to the students. And it's why the picture of the face for doesn't really have its own color. It's because we really want to try and convey and make sure that the students are aware that it's just an exhalation of breath rather than a formed sound like any other. So yeah, we refer to it as the air sound. In terms of blending, we blend it in a conventional way, but because it's so unvoiced, sometimes this can be a little bit challenging for students. There's not too much we can do to support them with it, because we end up moving from the kind of the unvoiced to the voiced vowel. So ha, there's that point in the transition where it becomes voiced, which sometimes can be a little bit tricky for the students. But hopefully with practice that will be resolved.